I have no problem with Mr. Obi joining me also and joining the YPP. After all, we have two senators already in the YPP, and our party has more in the National Assembly than the Labour Party. But I'm not counting. I did get approached by them a while ago through some of the high-ranking people within the Peter Obi organization, and I sat and I discussed with them. But we are not in the same direction. I believe in Nigeria that is slightly different. I am a practitioner of the things that I'm good at. Not one of the contestants in the 2023 elections has ever been in the military or in the military industrial complex. And we have security as a problem. How are you going to deal with that? There's only one person qualified to do that. And I've told them the same thing. I do not have a respect for somebody who's going to be the commander in chief of the armed forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria that's never flown a plane, a jet, shot a weapon, built a weapon system, created a military industrial complex. I'm the only one in this race that has done that. And I can stand proudly on that record in 18 different countries, and I have served. Now, that takes some doing, and it takes a lot to come out of your shell to come and say that, whether it's in Turkey or the UAE or different countries where I have technology or performance, or even in Nigeria where I have trained, I have provided security equipment, observations, I've been with technical teams, intelligence teams. I know what this country is about, I know what the problems are.